I think I might have a problem. It's like Christmas every day in the studio. I've been sick with COVID the last like week, and I've just been waiting to unbox all of these things, but I was too sick to do so. So if my voice sounds slightly off, that's why. Most of these are Breyers. There is one box of art supplies. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Daryn. This is DeeJayBe Studios, and we're gonna do an unboxing. And that's something that we do all the time. I'm gonna go smallest to largest today. Newspaper. Oh, Breyer. 1, 2. This is the little Palomino pole, I believe from the Cloud set. It's a really cute mold, and this color is cute. It's so cute. Let's put it back here. Perfect. This one, I never thought I would find. I don't even know what she is. She's from one of the Mustang Marin full sets, classic era baby. This mold is like actually so cute. I basically wanted this one, and then she had this little Palomino, so I thought why not get both. Next box. This is the art box. It's a big order. I'm gonna put the box on the ground, and then we're gonna put out things that I got. Le Pan Pastel. I basically just got some more pan pastel colors that I didn't have. So I got a few light shades. This is a transparent blender. I wanted to try this and see if it would be helpful in any way. Just some like tint colors. It's mostly just the rest that I didn't have. So now I have like all of them, because that's important. We need all of them. Then I got some pan pastel lids, which is like the dumbest thing ever, but whatever. Because I want to reorganize my pan pastels, and I want to put individual lids on all of them so that I'm able to label them all and like make it nicer than what it currently is. So that's my current plan. I got some restocks of my Joe Sanja paint. Smoked Pearl, Burnt Umber, and Brown Earth. Let's get back to the Breyers though, because that's really why we're here. Came in an Amazon box, but it ain't from Amazon. These things, which I hate and I throw away because they're so annoying. Oh god. I thought there was a spider. Can you see who it is through the bubble wrap? This horse I've wanted for so long, but I haven't been able to find one. This one's really nice. So this is BreyerFest 2018 by a Nose. Been looking for her since 2018, so it's been a couple years now, but worth the wait. Next one. This one has a postcard in it. Okay. Oh no, she's gonna make me cry. I just wanted to say thanks for all the helpful YouTube videos you have on your page. I've been making coasters for fun lately, and I put the business card you sent along with it. Oh my god, wait, she made me something? She made me, oh my god, she did. What? No way. I was not expecting this. This is gonna be my new studio coaster. It's green and glittery, and it has my business card in it. How cool is that? I'm actually gonna use that for my cup at my computer desk now, because I have like one, but this one is way better. All right, so this is a horse that I've never even seen of, heard of, thought of, dreamed of. I just decided to buy her because she was cheap and in Canada, and she's really cute actually. This is Sweet Pea is what I googled her as. I'm not exactly sure what she was, but she's got this really cute little like Sabino marking on her chin. Apparently I'm on a full kick. This is very exciting. I've looked for this horse equally as long, and she gave me a really good deal on him, so I'm really excited. I actually have been collecting a little more fantasy than normal. Wow. He's so cool. So this was Prism. I don't remember what year he came out. He's older. He was one of Breyer's first like really intense decorator models. I just love rainbows. He's amazing. He's so rainbow. I don't know. They do a lot of decorators, and I like some of them. That one just spoke to me. All right, we're down to 2 boxes. You're gonna know what it is right away. I didn't know it was coming in its own box. You guys are never gonna believe this. That was a very aggressive knock at the door, and another package just arrived in the middle of filming. I don't have a problem, you have a problem. I don't know what this is, but we're gonna open it on camera. Sorry about that. This horse, I was freaking out about. How cool is he? He's like amazing. He's called Maelstrom. I don't know how to say it. It's supposed to be like pirate Halloween themed. I am not a Halloween person at all. I dislike Halloween a lot, actually. This green is like my studio green, and I really like green. So I've wanted this guy for a little while because he's really green. So I'm gonna open the other parcel I had, and then I'll open the one that just came. Packing peanuts, my favorite. Oh, those all fell onto the floor. This is another one that's like really hard to find. So this is the Foundation Stallion mold. I really like the Foundation Stallion mold. I don't know why I do, but I do. This is Thunderbolt. He was a mid-state special run. I remember seeing him in stores when I was a kid and I didn't buy him. What a weird combinations of models to purchase, hey? Like we've got Baby Classic, Fantasy Deco, and then weird anomalies that are really hard to find. This package says it came from Breyer, or if it's something else I can't show you. What this is about. I didn't order this. It matches my little happening. I didn't buy this. I also didn't agree to get this. Did someone not talk to me, or am I just going crazy? I'm scared what this is. I'm gonna open it, and if it's something I need to return, then I can return. I am expecting a volunteer horse. So is this a volunteer horse? Animar? Did they run out of volunteer horses? I really don't know what the story is here, but they sent me an Animar and a Spectre, and I'm not sure that anyone's supposed to know that I got these, or that I know that I got these. I'm gonna have to email Breyer, and I'll have to update you on why they sent these. Well, this was fun. Nothing like getting a surprise box in the mail. Okay, so I just confirmed with Breyer, and these were in fact supposed to come. These were prizes from the photo show that I entered. So I entered the Boo, so it was Breyer Open Online, which was a photo show that happened after Breyer Fest, and Jorg actually won section champion, and then he won the division overall reserve. So I assume this was for his champion, and then this would be for his reserve. So that's kind of cool. I had no idea that there was going to be prizes for that. I just thought it was rosettes. So these are for me. I can actually open them. He's actually kind of cool. I don't know. I don't hate him. I don't love him. Just because I'm not a Halloween person, I don't decorate for Halloween, really. I'm really curious with this guy. This, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with. So this is Animar. He's like really... There's more surprises! Are you serious right now? They gave me the Premier Club with the free stablemate. Okay, this I'm excited about. This is like the unboxing that just keeps on giving. So that's him. Breyer did a really cool job of trying a new style, which is the dapple gray coat, but with masking dapples. So they created like the really unique shape of them, but this would be like a masking method that they would have used here, which is very unique and very cool. Like the dapples are really nice, really cool, but all they needed to do was a bit of overspray onto the dapples to soften them, because that's how I like do my pastel dapples. They look like this when I paint them on, but then I add a layer of airbrushing over top, and that softens them all so that they don't look so contrasted, because we just have a really dramatic like stop here where the dapples end. So that's a horse to add to this little collection happening here. And then I got a stablemate as well. What the heck? So this is a little mini Jorg stablemate, but it's called Giorgio. And he is the little dapple gray, but he is going to be customized. I should make a mini Jorg. Well, there you have it. That was fun. Wow, would you look at that? What a great little haul. Yeah, that was fun. That was wild. Share my confusion and excitement all at the same time. Thanks so much for coming to my very chaotic unboxing. It's been a slice, guys. It's been a slice.